Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Good. Have your seats, everybody. I'm also good. So, today we are going to start our chapter number 6. What is the name of chapter 6? Okay, read the heading. Try to read the heading. AYAAN. What is the name? Ayan. What is the name? Ayan. Double A says A. Okay, so Ayan. Speak. Ayan. What is this? Goes to a Lavish. What is this? Party. Okay, so Ayan goes to a party. What is the meaning of this line, Lavish? Very good. Ayan एक party में जाता है. Got it? Okay, so now we are going to read the experience of Ayan. Experience of Ayan that he had in the party. Okay, so let's start the chapter. Do you like going to birthday parties? Do you like going to birthday parties? Do you like? Who likes? Raise your hand who likes to go to the birthday parties. Everybody likes to go to birthday parties, right? Why do you like birthday party? Why do you like? Yes, Lavish? Because you get cake there. Wow, sit. Any other else? Yes. Means we have lot of fun there. We had lot of fun there, right? You got return gifts. You get return gifts. That's why you like to go birthday parties. Okay, sit down. So you all know we all like to go parties, especially birthday parties. All the children like. So like this, Ayan also likes to go to birthday party. So look here, Ayan lives in Pune. Where does Ayan live? Pune. Underline this word. Ayan lives in Pune. Today is Sunday. Which day is today? Sundays. It is his best friend Joy's birthday. What is on Sunday? On Sunday, his best friend Joy's birthday. Okay? He wakes up early. He wakes up early. Underline those words. Underline those words. Underline those words, beta. So, Ayan lives in Pune. Today is Sunday. It is his best friend Joy's birthday. Okay, he wakes up early. So, to go to the party, he wakes up early on Sunday. And usually we wakes up late on Sunday, right? So, on Sunday, he wakes up early because it is the day of his best friend's birthday, right? It is going to be a fun Sunday, says Ayan, because he knows he have to go to his friend's birthday party. So he thought it is going to be a fun Sunday. Ayan and his mother buy a toy truck for Joy. It is his friend's birthday, so they have to bring a gift for his friend, right? So what do they bring? What do they bring? A toy truck. Ayan and his mother buy a toy truck for Joy, okay, as a gift. After breakfast, he gift wraps the toy truck. So what has he done after breakfast? After breakfast, he gift wraps. He gift wraps. Okay, he wraps the gift. He wraps the gift. Okay, what is the gift? Toy truck. What is the gift? What is the gift, Mayan? Toy truck. Good. So now, what time is the party? Mother asks Ayan. Now Ayan is very excited. So he asks to his mother, what time is the party? What time is the party? Mother. So mother says, in the evening, Ayan replies mother. He asks through his mother, what time is the party? So mother replies, it is in the evening. The party is in the evening, right? Ayan plays with his friends. Underline the word evening also. Okay. Ayan plays with his friends. So whole the day Ayan plays with his friends because this is Sunday, right? It is afternoon and time for lunch. Now it is afternoon and the time for lunch. We have lunch in afternoon, right? And in the morning, what do we have? Breakfast. Okay, so he did breakfast in the morning. After breakfast, he asked to his mother, what is the time for the party? Okay, then his mother replied, party is in the evening. Okay, so all the so in the afternoon he plays with his friends. He plays with his friends and have lunch. Okay, then sleep for some time. Okay, then he take a short sleep for some time. Okay, Ayan, then you will be fresh for the party, says my mother. Then his mother says, Ayan, sleep for some time, then be fresh for the party. Will be fresh for the party. Okay. Okay. So what does Ayan's mother said in the afternoon? What does Ayan's mother said in the afternoon? To sleep for some time. To sleep for some time. Then you will be fresh for the party. Okay. I will not be able to sleep, mother. Then Ayan replied, I will not be able to sleep. I cannot wait to go to Joy's party, says Ayan. He is very excited, so he doesn't want to sleep in the afternoon, right? He is waiting for the party. When they will go, when will they go party? Okay? So Ayan's mother said, read your storybooks then. If you don't want to sleep, read your storybooks then, right? It is too hot to play outside because it is the time of afternoon and it is too hot outside. So her mother said that read your storybooks. Read your storybooks. Okay. Then Ayan falls asleep reading the book. Then reading the book, Ayan fall asleep. Okay. Underline the word asleep and storybook. Okay. Ayan falls asleep reading the book. Then what happened next? Wake up, Ayan, mother said. Mother wakes him up. When he is asleep in the evening, mother wakes up Ayan. It is evening, time to get ready for the party. Now it's party time, right? It's evening and it is the party time, right? Then his mother wakes him up. Ayan jumps out of bed. He gets ready for Joy's birthday party. Now he gets ready for Joy's birthday party. Ayan's mother drops him at Joy's house. Ayan's mother drops him at Joy's house. So where is the party? Okay, in the evening. But where is the party? What is the place? Joy's house. Joy's house. Okay. So his house is decorated with balloons and streamers. We all also decorate the house on the day of birthday, right? So Joy's house is also decorated with balloons, streamers, because it is his birthday. It is his birthday. Ayan greets everyone. When he reached Joy's house, he greets everyone. Hello, Joy. Happy birthday. He says to Joy, Happy birthday. He wishes him. Hello, everyone. Ayan gives Joy his present. Present means gift. Present means gift. What is the gift? Have you remembered what is the gift? What is the gift, Lavish? Toy truck. What is the gift? Toy truck, right? So Ayan gives Joy his present. Ayan gives his present to Joy. Then thank you, Ayan, says Joy. Says Joy, Thank you. Okay, come to the next page. So in the party, Ayan meets many of his friends there. Many of his friends, right? It's Joy's birthday party means another friend of Ayan and Joy will join the party, right? So Ayan meets rest of the friends in Joy's birthday party. They play different games. He wins a prize for the game Pin the Tail on the Monkey. Then they play a game Pin the Tail on the Monkey and he wins the prize. He wins the prize. Who wins the prize? Ayan. Who wins the prize? Ayan. Okay, so means they have a lot of fun there. It is time to cut the cake. Now the time comes to cut the cake. It is a chocolate cake. What kind of cake is it? What kind of cake is it? A chocolate cake. There are 6 candles on the cake. How many candles on the cake? 6. Yes, Daksh. How many candles on the cake? 6 candles. Good. Happy birthday to you, Joy. Everyone sings. When Joy cuts the cake, everyone sings happy birthday to Joy. Joy blows out the candles and cuts the cake. It's Joy's birthday, so Joy cuts the cake and blows out the candle, and everyone wishes him happy birthday to Joy, right? We all wish our friends in the birthdays like this when they cut cake and blow the candles. We also wish. So, like this, his all friends wish him happy birthday. Everyone gets a slice of the birthday cake, and then everyone gets a slice when he cut the cake. After cutting the cake, everyone get a slice of the cake. There is lots of food to choose from, and there is lots of food. They have lots of snacks. Ayan takes one burger, some cheese balls, and an apple pie. So what does Ayan eat? What does Ayan eat? One burger, some cheese balls and an apple pie. Okay, 3 things Ayan eats. Speak the names of the things that Ayan eats. One burger. Speak. One burger. Speak, everybody. Some cheese balls. Speak louder. Some cheese balls and an apple pie. Okay, so these 3 things Ayan choose to eat. Okay, and he had a lot of fun there. Come to the next page. It's time to go home now. They have lots of fun. They have lots of fun in the birthday party. Now it's time to leave. It's time to leave. Thank you, Joy, for inviting me to your birthday party, says Ayan. And at the end of the birthday party, Ayan, when it's time to leave, Ayan thanks to Joy to invite him to his birthday party. Ayan's mother picks him up. Then Ayan's mother comes to pick him up. It is dark. It is dark. It is dark means now it's a night. When they reach home, Ayan is not hungry. Ayan is not hungry because he had a lot of food at Joy's birthday party, right? So he does not eat dinner, okay, because he is not hungry. Ayan lays down in bed and he is tired now. He is also tired because he had lots of fun in his in his friend's birthday. Now he is tired also. So when he reached the home, he lays down in bed and soon he is fast asleep. He's so tired. So when he lays down in bed, he fast asleep, dreaming of the wonderful time he had at the party. Means he had a wonderful time at the party and he dreamed out this. Okay, so this is the chapter we have studied. Experience of Ayan that he had in the birthday party. Okay, let me ask few questions from the chapter. Who goes to Joy's birthday party? Yes, Imansh? Ayan, very good. Clapping for him. Do clapping. Yes, Mayan, stand up. Stand up, Mayan. What did Ayan and his mother purchase for Joy? Yes? What gift? Toy truck. Very good. Sit. Clapping for Mayan. Lavish, stand up. When is the party? At what time? In the afternoon, in the evening? In the evening. Good. Sit down, Lavish. Stand up, Sudiksha. Who gift wrapped the gift? Ayan or Ayan's mother? Ayan. Who gift wraps? Ayan. Okay, so this chapter is completed today. Tomorrow we will do the book exercise. Now there are few MCQ questions given, multiple choice questions. Okay, this is your homework. You have to answer. You have to find the correct option of these questions. Okay, which is the correct answer for these questions, and you have to answer these questions. Okay, you have to comment the answer in comment section also. Okay, I will check who will comment on the video. Okay, thank you everyone.